Today we are going to draw the Lorax. And the Lorax is a great book written by Dr. Seuss, and we're going to watch that in class later. So the first step we're going to do is hold our paper the tall way. And make sure that you have your pencil because we're going to start out with a nice big oval. Now, leave enough room because we're going to add legs and arms, so make sure you have enough room here. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the Lorax's nose. So right in the middle, let's make a circle. That's going to be for his nose. I know that's kind of weird to start with his nose, but it's going to make sense because he's going to have a big bushy mustache. So starting from the nose, you're going to make a curve, and then on the other side, make another curve. Now once we do that, we're going to make zigzags all across the bottom and the side, so we have a nice big poofy mustache. Don't forget to erase the line here. Put little lines there to remind you, and little lines there. So those areas need to be erased. Now, for the Lorax's eyes, we're going to do two ovals. 1, 2. Now he does have eyelids, so we're going to go 1, 2. And then we're going to draw his eyes inside. So make U's, and then we're going to make another little circle inside. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to color that U shape, but leave that little white circle. So that's the little reflection of light. So you have just drawn your Lorax's face. Now he does have some hair that sticks up, so add a couple hairs. He always has a few hairs. And then we're going to draw his arms. So his arms come out. 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line. And then he has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then he has his legs. 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line. And then we have a foot that comes out like a point. Comes out like a point and comes back. Now the last thing we have to do on the Lorax is add some lines on his belly, because he is fuzzy. A couple lines on his arms and a couple lines on his feet. Now when you're done, we're going to draw a ground. And then since he's the Lorax, we can draw some flowers on the ground. If you want, you can draw grass. So we can draw a couple things that you think the Lorax might like. And then we're going to write the Lorax on top. The L-O-R-A-X. So everyone knows he's the Lorax. Now, once you're done writing all that, you're going to take your time, trace everything with your black crayon, and then we're going to start coloring. Now, the Lorax is really only 2 colors. He's yellow and orange. So the parts that are yellow are his mustache. And that's really it for the yellow parts. And then the rest of him is all orange. And you're going to take your time and color the rest, all orange. You're not going to scribble like I am. You're going to take your time and go slow. Make sure to color the whole background. So your whole picture should be colored. You can do the grass, like we said, we do flowers, we can do sky. It's whatever you would like to make your Lorax look the best. And I cannot wait to see your Loraxes.